Hey guys, so let me show you how to use this NEHU Wi-Fi automated tool for Windows. Open your browser and search here wifi.chitti.org or the link provided in the description and go to this Windows section. Click download for Windows and start download. Okay, after the download is complete, install it. Yes, and then let me connect to the NEHU Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm getting a login page. So let me open my app. For the first time, you have to store your details. So let me type my username. And the password will not be visible for security purposes. So make sure to type your password carefully. And I entered it. See, it's logged in now. Okay, let me show you like how to do this again from the beginning. Like after saving, let me log out of here. Yes, I logged out from my NEHU Wi-Fi. See, yes, I'm getting this page again. So this time I'm just simply going to click here, my NEHU Wi-Fi automator, and yes, it's logged in successfully by itself. And it will close by itself. So it's just that simple. Thank you for watching.